Ellie's account is like.
And so was.
Choose and combine lots of different colors.
Actually, not noticed.
You can change
Yeah, we're
the
not noticed.
color of your eyes. And you can
I'm
create
joking,
lots
guys, I'm
of
joking.
different patterns in your fur.
Gotta look pretty.
Why don't you
Act
give
like
it
just
a
a regular
try?
person. But they're actually gonna think we're not normal.
When you are happy with your new look, click on the X
It means
button
a
in
girl
the corner to exit.
Yeah.
Everyone knows that F-Man's a girl.
I don't. Oh, that actually looks really nice.
No, leave it how it was before. Leave it how it was before. That's pretty. Color me rad.
Everyone seems to
Well,
love
thank
you.
you. How do you feel
How do you feel
about it?
about it?
You know, you can do touch it.
To show others how you're feeling, click the emote button and then choose your
Thanks.
favorite emote.
What it?
Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm using touchscreen.
I know just what you mean.
Feels so cool.
Hey, look!
You just did this thing again.
You got 1,000.
Look
How come it
at
says
all the
1,500, but it's not?
How many did you find?
It's 2,500.
You'll find more fun ways to get gems as you explore Jamar, along with lots of places to spend them. There are
Okay.
games, adventures, parties, shops, and so much more. I think you're ready to explore on your own. This way, to Jamar!
Don't forget to name it.
These documents.
Okay guys, so right now we're going to, where do you want to go guys? We'll go to my den,
How many
okay?
videos have I
Welcome to your den, your own place in Jamar to call home. Of course, no den is complete until it... These are your den items. You can move items around by clicking and dragging them around your den. You can also click the arrow to rotate items and click the X button to put them away. Go ahead. Wow! Look at all those great den items! If you like the way...
Sorry guys.
Wonderful! Now that you know how, you can decorate your den however you'd like.
Okay guys, so this new Gemma is awesome so far. Sorry guys, she's just gonna upload a video. Oh, they both uploaded. Look, you click on publish. Ready?
Oh, they are?
You can do the next one.
No, all you do is publish. Done. Oh my god, that actually was. Wait, you look at the time.
It's okay, we only have half an hour. 40 minutes, man.
Whatever, same thing.
So let's body our first ever person.
Buddy, I said oh yeah, 500 out of 10. Yay! New GMO does want to be your buddy.
Yay!
Yay! Woo! Fireworks!
So guys, this is basically like a new series that me and Abby are making together. So we're either gonna be on her.
Actually, no, Abby and Ashley. It's the other way around. 100.
So it's either gonna be on my YouTube.
Who was that? They've been standing there for ages. They're scary.
There's a girl, so it's gonna.
She's scary.
Can't do no harm.
Yeah, no, really. Wait, what?
Oh, we're in Gemma's house. She does it. Hello.
Oh, yeah, what? Oh, yeah, we got the same thing.
Okay, so
Yeah, I remember this place.
I never change it because it's so beta. This account is actually more beta than actually Choo 006 to be honest.
Wow.
The day that I started it, I got so much
Wait, where
beta.
did my lollipop go?
It vanished because,
Okay.
Go to my den.
Go to your den. Wait, what? You do. Incredible Scary Gym.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
I made an incredible scary
See,
gym.
8043 is still playing. He's drawn down. Very scary. Go! She's scary. She's my best friend. See, yes. When there was someone out there, I actually have I'm going to see if I actually can get
So yeah, guys, if you would like to buy,
Bye. Buddy.
if you'd like to buy, looking for the hacker, and Bruce is only for helping me. That's me. So
No wonder the joke couldn't be wrong.
the password is I love lollipops.
Good, is it?
Yes, it is.
Wait, what?
Oh,
That wasn't anything.
the password is it. The password is it. The password is I love lollipops. Okay, so it's I love lollipops. Okay, guys, I'm joking. It's I hate people. That's what it is. Okay, I hate people. Yes, it is.
It missed. It missed me. Ah!
It's
Oh my
I
god.
hate.
I was actually just there walking up the stairs and I disappeared.
Oh. Okay.
It's right now. I just went to Jessie Girl's den. That was
Is FMA122 back? Oh,
I just saw myself dead. I just saw myself there and I disappeared.
come to my den. We gotta do some major.
I see.
Every item.
You can move items around by clicking and dragging them
Shut
around.
up. Okay, guys. Well, this is basically a new series looking for the hacker. I hope we find the hacker. I hope.
Can I return the in? I want to play. It's my computer. Oh, it's my mom's computer.
I'm still gonna be on this account.
I want to play it. 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 Well, let me play it. It's mine.
It's actually ours.
Yeah, what's my computer?
This is our investigation den.
Yes, and I'm allowed to play in it because it's my computer.